I tell you, coming from a hi-fi system to the Alpha 1 system, there's no comparison, right? I threw in Queen Bohemian Rhapsody, just was in awe of the difference. I mean, the audio in this car previously was tinny. It didn't matter what you did with it. And even then I'd added a couple of additional speakers and it just was terrible. This is going to be better than any other BMW with an HK system in it. This is such a great upgrade. And if you have a hi-fi, I don't know why you do this. If you have an HK, I don't know why you wouldn't do this upgrade. But this is a night and day difference. So please make sure to check that out. You can tell the install isn't hard. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a shout. And I also can be a source for Bimmer-Tech gear as well. So make sure to reach out to me and I can help hook you up anywhere in the world, literally. And you can have this great sound system in your car too. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you for Bimmer-Tech for making such a fantastic product and I'll see you on my next video.